Hey guys, welcome back to Street Engineer. In this video I will show how to make a round headlight for motorcycle by using household stuff. I am using plastic container and a transparent plastic container cap. This cap size should be smaller than container. And LED projector. I have given link in description, from there you can buy this LED projector. This LED projector has nut and bolt type mechanism. Spray paints, silver and black. Guys, your container should be bigger than LED projector and bottom surface should be flat. Take a container and make a hole in center to insert this LED projector. Make a hole bigger than this LED projector bolt. So guys, I have created. After creating hole, then insert LED projector bolt and tie it with nut. Now take a container cap and mark with another small cap and cut and remove the center part. After cutting, then there will be a sharpness and uneven shape. So smooth the surface by using sandpaper. So guys, here you can see I have cleared this sharpness. Use silver paint to paint inside this container. So first remove the light from the container. Guys, here we need to paint silver. After painting, container will look like this. Clear the bottom surface with sandpaper and take a paper tape and stick like this. Use black paint on outside of the container and container cap. After painting, container will look like this. Now peel the paper tape. Now take LED projector and insert in container and tie it with nut. Then take transparent container cap and mount on this container cap like this and glue it. If you want to use glass instead of transparent container cap, then also follow same method. Now close the container with this cap. As you can see, I have made a round shape headlight using plastic container. Now let's check whether it's working or not. This LED projector is 12 volt, so use 12 volt battery. As you can see, this headlight is glowing and it's too powerful, and also it's a waterproof. Guys, I don't want this yellow, so I am changing this yellow to black. Now let's try to install in my e-bike. I have created 2 holes in mudguard, and similar I have created 2 holes in headlight and inserted bolts. I am using nut and bolt to mount this headlight on mudguard. Guys, here you can see I have mounted this headlight in my e-bike. So guys, if you have any queries, then do comments, and also if you like this video, then please share this video. Thanks for watching.